Hello, my dear friends. I am Jyotirvid Pawan Kumar. Friends, I love the great wisdom-filled thoughts of the mystic Sufi saint Rumi. I have made many videos on some of his thoughts, and for this video, I have selected one of his thoughts, and I am going to elaborate on it. If you read casually any of his thought, you will appreciate, you will say it is a good thought. But if you go deep into it, try to gather what the Sufi saint wants to convey from spiritual point of view, then you will appreciate the depth of it. Each of his thought is a gem for all truth seekers. If you are on the path of self-realization, you will appreciate. Each of his thought is filled with wisdom. Now, what he is saying? The universe is not outside of you. Look inside yourself. Everything that you want, you already are. See, this is what our Vedanta is saying. Advaitvad. There are two approaches, Dvaitvad and Advaitvad. As per Advaitvad, what Vedanta is all about, God is not something outside of you, away from you. You already are. Tat Tvam Masi. There are the Mahavakyas in each of the four Vedas. You are that. Tat Tvam Masi, Aham Brahmasmi. Yes, but it has to be realized. So what he is saying is, look inside yourself. Everything that you want, you already are. That is what Vedanta says. Advaitvad Vedanta says that you don't have to go anywhere to find God. You will realize that it is only you, Tat Tvam Masi, but only after realization. So you need realization, because you already are. That is what he is saying. You already are. See? This is the depth, because he was a true Sufi, self-realized saint. Right? Now, what is the path? What is the way? The way is, first of all, to have faith. That is a must. Without faith, you cannot enter into it. Right? So you have to have faith initially. Right? Then you gather information, knowledge. Right? And there is no dearth of right information. Knowledge is available. Because see, this is ignorance. Just ignorance that you do not realize your true self. So you need realization, and for that, because it is because of ignorance, so only knowledge will help you. Gyan, spiritual knowledge. Knowledge about your true self. So gather knowledge and then reason it out. You will have so many doubts. Remove all the doubts. And after that, you need to assimilate whatever you have learned. So unless it becomes part and parcel of you, unless it sinks deep into your subconscious mind, that means, in other words, unless it is assimilated, your life won't change. You can say that yes, I have read, I have understood, but unless you assimilate it, and that is only through meditation, breathing exercises, and other yogic techniques are there, introspection, contemplation, study. So study then removing all your doubts, and then following certain techniques, meditation, breathing exercises, because see, breath is very much related with your mind, state of mind. I have mentioned this in many other videos also. So breathing exercises, pranayam, will help you to discipline your mind, to sharpen your mind, to pinpoint your mind, so that you can concentrate on one idea at a time, and then you can go deep into meditation. For that you need a calm mind, and yesterday I made a video on that, how to cultivate a tranquil mind. That is a must, right? So this thought, the universe is not outside of you. See, our Vedas also say that whatever is there in the macrocosm is there inside you, in the microcosm, right? That is what he is saying. Universe is not outside of you. Through going into trance state, through deep meditation, you will realize everything is inside you. So you are in true sense the universe, but only when you realize it, right? Look inside yourself, because see, you gather knowledge from outside, and then you have to go inside through meditation, because unless you go in the trance state, in superconscious state of mind, right, you won't assimilate whatever you learn spiritually. I hope this video will help all truth seekers, and you will appreciate the great thoughts of this Sufi saint Rumi. Thank you for watching.